Hey everybody, I'm out in Colorado camping and I am using the Fire Maple Star X3 to make my coffee this morning. And so I've poured this much water into it, and so we're going to get it to a boil, and I'm going to show you some of the things I like about this. Okay, first and foremost, it has an igniter on it, which is kind of awesome. So put the lid here, and on the lid you've got a drain hole or a hole that also allows steam to escape. So I'll bring you back when it's boiling and then we'll show it pouring into the cup. But so far I'm really happy with this thing. Okay, we are at 2 minutes 51 seconds, and keep in mind we are at 10,000 feet right now, so it will be a lot quicker at lower altitudes. So we're going to turn this off. And always be safe and grab the plastic part of this. There you go. So one of the things I like about this versus the competitor is the fact that it has this handle, because it makes doing a pour over very easy. And to be able to have really good coffee out here while you're camping in a quick manner like this is just awesome. So I recommend this. That is the Fire Maple Fixed Star X3, 0.8 liter total volume, and it's got graduated marks on the inside so that you can measure it. It's got the heat sink at the bottom, the igniter, and I forgot to mention this, it actually comes with a pot stand, so you can actually do cooking on this as well. And it comes with a bag to carry it all in. Highly recommend it. Check it out.